I did something really stupid. So I did something really stupid yesterday. I was getting drone footage for a client and I crashed the drone. What happened was that I had 13% battery life as the drone was coming back to me, and it just decided to land. It was saying that it was short on battery and just decided I'm gonna land right here. The problem is it landed in a forest and I couldn't find it. So my goal today is to go back and see if I can find it. My brother Sam's coming with a truck, so hopefully we can get out in the woods, find where it is. I've got a ladder just in case we gotta climb a tree, but these are like 50-foot trees. I honestly don't know that we can recover it. One of the reasons I'm so mad is that I was only 500 feet away from where the drone was saying that it was gonna land. I could have easily piloted it myself right back to me and still had plenty of battery to spare. I watched as the drone fell, and when it got stuck in this tree, it still had 10% battery left. Well, I had plenty of time to get this back. It's just so frustrating to me that I did that, and it's really frustrating to me that DJI forces the drone to land at that point. But I have to give DJI some credit. There is a really cool way to find your drone if it does get lost, and that's honestly a little bit more of what I want to talk about today. So DJI actually has this really great feature in the app. I think this is for any drone. I don't think it's just for the Mavic Air. But in the app, in the upper right corner, there are these 3 bars that you can click on, and one of the features is Find My Drone. And what it does is it records the coordinates of where the drone is during flight, but it also records like the last spot that it was, and uses GPS to find your location and the drone, and so that way you at least know an approximate area. I'm positive this drone is stuck in a tree, and yesterday I just couldn't find it. I couldn't see it. So, like I said, we brought a ladder. Not that it's going to be tall enough, but we'll see what happens if we can find it. We also brought my brother Sam's drone. We brought his Mavic Pro. So we're gonna fly his drone in the area that I crashed mine, like idiots, to see if maybe we can at least see where the drone is and get an idea of that. I don't know. You think, what are the chances are that we're actually gonna find this thing?
I have good hopes on it.
Really?
Do. Yeah, I do.
That's what I like to hear. I mean, we're totally not going to find it, but that's what I like to hear. What do you want to do?
Put a hook on the bottom of my drone that goes down about 5 feet, get close enough to the drone, grab it, and pull it up.
No. You can ladder.
Trust me, it's better than how I get to my fishing spot. You just slide down the hill to get to it. One of these trees?
It's in this one down here. If we could see it from here, that would be awesome, but I don't think we can.
I didn't know what to do.
It's in this tree right here.
This guy?
This. Yeah. This is a tree. What?
Seriously, right there.
You see the drone?
Yes.
How?
Told you, I have high hopes. Alright, right stem. Go up.
Wait, right stem?
Yep, so it breaks into 3.
Okay,
The
yep.
one on the right.
Yep.
Go up it. And then you see where it breaks off on the left side? Follow
Yeah.
it up. See that tiny little scrawny one?
Oh my gosh, I see it. There is no way this camera is going to be able to pick that up. Holy crap. How did you find that? Dude, that's way too high. There it is. I can't believe that.
Should have brought the chainsaw.
We're not cutting down a tree. I cannot believe that there it is, right there. I told you, it was a 50% shot that we would find it, and like a 10% shot of us actually getting it. Sam, I believe in you. We've got an 8-foot ladder to climb a 30-foot tree. My God, this is not gonna work. That's
So high.
it really is. You're gonna hit my drone with a rock?
I mean, it's either that or leave it, right?
That's a good point. Hey, the good thing is that we don't have to try and lose your drone. I was actually kind of looking forward to that.
What if we fly my drone into your drone and knock them both out? Like, put something together that's long enough, like maybe like 50 feet high, to knock it out.
He's calling a buddy of his that apparently knows these things. Oh my gosh, it's so close. I just want it to come down.
20 minutes later.
All right, so we found the drone, but it's like 35, 40 feet in the air. So we're trying to figure out how to make this happen. So far we've come up with buy baseballs or softballs or footballs or something that we can throw at the tree.
What if we used like one of the clay shell throwers? I have one at the house. That is our backup for tomorrow. We were bringing the clay shell because you can up and down, and you can fling it. It's freaking.
I mean, we could always shoot it down. I'd rather not do that though. If we could throw one of these.
Dude, no. My crossbow.
You want to shoot
Tie a rope to the back of it though. Trying to.
It wasn't our fault though. But it's stuck in a tree. So we're trying to figure out how to throw it down. I'm sorry? Okay. So we came up with a crossbow idea, right? We came up with a shotgun idea, paintball. We come up with some really, really good ideas. And we ended up with softballs. That didn't work. Close. It's...
20 minutes later.
What? Dude, no! Yes!
Oh my God!
The friggin' drone!
It's okay.
Oh man, is it broken?
No. Dude, it's fine.
How did that? Yes. Epic.
Dude.
Oh, well, that's broken.
Oh, is it?
This is incredible. I just can't believe that. You are the GOAT of all time. That was amazing. I can't believe we got this back. Hey, you broke one of the things.
Oh, yeah?
When you hit it with a baseball. What the heck?
Watch what happens when the softball hits your nose.
Is the gimbal okay? Gimbal looks relatively fine. We should go fly it.
No.
Let's go fly the drone, bud.
It got absorbed for the fall because like there was that branch that was kind of slanted and it kind of hit it upside down, so it kind of like bounced.
Yeah, it did. It helped the landing a little bit.
Sure.
I wonder where the little landing gear leg got broken, if it got hit by the softball or on its way down, but oh my gosh.
That was a direct freaking hit though. I mean, like,
it was so good.
There was no like around the branch.
Nope.
It hit the
You
drone
hit the
right
drone.
off. And it was a rocket too. I mean, I didn't lob that one.
Yeah.
Because I was starting to get frustrated and I was just like, all right, yep, okay, here we go.
It's pretty incredible that it fell from 35, 40 feet out of a tree and it's pretty much fully intact. The only thing is this little Well, that was quite the adventure. I can't believe that ended up working out for us. It's crazy. Well, that's it for another exciting edition of How to Crash Your Drone. Wait, we only have 3? You lost one of my softballs.